Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this video and with me, Beatrice. So, in this video, I will show you how Twinery can be used to create interactive reading activities in classroom practice. We always see such basic reading passages, for example, like these. We've seen it so many times, but why not we make it more interactive and engaging? For example, like this. Why not, right? So that's the point of this video. We will dive deeper into that. But before that, what is Twinery actually? First, let's talk about what Twinery is. Twinery is a web-based tool that allows users to create interactive stories using connected text passages. Each passage represents a part of the story, and readers move between passages by clicking links. So that's Twinery. Now in this video, I will show you how you can create one like this. Okay, so without further ado, let's go.
Alright, first, what you can do is to search for Twinery in your Chrome. And then scroll down, and when you find this, you just click it. Alright, so we have two options here. You can download desktop app or you can use it in your browser. But in my case, I'll just use it in my browser. So you can just click use in your browser and will lead you here. Okay, now if you want to create new work, you can just click new here, all right, and then you can give it a name, whatever you want. And here I already have 3 works so far, and I'll use this one as an example. Okay, now we have one branch here. You can just double click this to insert your reading passage. Okay, but before that, make sure your Twinery, okay, the format you use the same as mine. I use the Holloway 3.3.9. Okay, all right, now we can start. In here, you can create new, or you can add it yours or rename it. Okay, so in this case, make sure your reading passage is ready. I already have mine here in my Google Docs, so I can just copy and paste all of this. Okay, you just block all of it. You can just Control A and Control C to copy it. Now we can paste our reading passage here. There we go. All right, we have our reading passage here. We can test it from here, okay? If you wanted to see how it is going so far, we can just click test from here. Now you can see. Now this what will be seen by your students later, all right? But I want to edit the title here. I want to change the color of it. Now, we can change the color. Just block this and choose color here. And then you can choose flat color. Okay, there's a lot of options of color that you can choose. I want my title to be red, so I choose red. Then you can just add it. Now, let's see. We can test it again and check. There we go. We have our title red. All right. But I want to make the title in the center. How? Well, you can just block it again. Okay? Block all of it, the title, and choose this, alignment and columns. Now you can choose the alignment. Choose the center for the alignment, of course. And for the placement, you can adjust. Now, all right, I think that's in the middle. All right, now you can just click add. Now let's test it again and see whether it's already in the center or not. Now it is in the center. Good. All right. Now for this one, well, it's quite basic, isn't it? It's just text, nothing more. It's not engaging, not interesting. So we can add picture. Okay, let's go back. If you want to add picture, you can just copy the code that I have here. So this is for your image. I'll just copy that. I want the picture below the title, so I'll put it here. So I just paste the code. So this is image source. Now the source can be in two ways. You can put it in your folder, in your files, or you can just directly use it from the website. So for the website that I choose, I use from Pinterest. Okay, because the title or the reading passage is about drugs and other problems in traveling abroad, so of course the picture will be related to the title. Now for mine, I already have the picture that I want here, okay? So you just need to right click on your mouse for the picture and then open image in new tab. All right. Now that we are here, you need to copy the link of the image. There. And then go back to your work. You're going to paste the link here inside of this. You just need to paste it here. There we go. We have it. Now let's test it. Now let's see. What do we get? Okay. Now we have it. We already have the picture inside. But it's weird because the picture is not in the center, right? We can also edit the picture to make it in the center. You can just copy this code. Okay, you just copy that and then you add it before the image code, like that. And just like that, your picture will be in the middle. All right, now we can publish this. If you have finished with this, we can just publish it right away. Now all you need to do is just go to build and publish to file. Now we can open the file and we can see the final product. So, although Twinery can be hard for beginners, you can actually use template provided by many creators out there. And you can also find many codes from the internet and it's free. So actually Twinery is very effective for learners to use to make their reading passages or writing exercise more engaging. So that is all for this tutorial. I hope it is very helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.